And we are M&M. And today we are playing
Cabin Fever.
And we're going to start the business boarding right now.
Okay,
Let's just wait for everybody to go in.
I'm gonna prepare everything while you do that.
I'll make sure everybody gets in, you know.
How do you zoom in?
You can't zoom in.
Oh yeah, you can. Welcome aboard Kitty Air. Move over.
Like, girl, you ain't the original. Anyways, okay, economy can start boarding, bro.
Bro.
There's so much people, right? Girl, who are you? Oh, they having beef or something?
Oh,
they just. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, hello, dear pilots.
Highlighted cabinet. There is no green highlighted cabinet.
I'm gonna start.
Oh, there's a green highlighted cabinet.
We're gonna start economy, and I'm gonna start. Girl, why are you up here? Move them. Girl, you're not supposed to.
Are we already in the air?
No. No, we're not.
Or do the business.
This girl is gonna do economy when economy comes. Anyways, business gets first, I think. Oh, there's stuff back here. I did not realize that. Coca-Cola. Coffee. Coffee is when you start Coca-Colas. Yes. Where? Guys, I can't reach how to do this. I don't know, I was scared. Oh, no. Let's go. Let's go, we gotta get it. I'm here. You do that stuff, okay?
Okay.
Trash, guys, and trash. I'll just take that from you guys.
Bro.
Welcome on board Kitty Air. Start. Any more rubbish? Turn on airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode. Skibbity, no, my phone. Yeah, womp.
No, my skibbity phone.
He literally said that. No joke.
Oh my gosh.
No cap.
Bro, it's not letting me scroll down.
Why?
No, look, sis. It keeps having this issue.
Poor you.
So. Shut up.
Sister Leanna! Leanna's on the plane.
Mike, can you do it for me? It's not. Yeah. It's not letting me do it.
Which one? This guy?
No, this one here.
I'll ask this guy too.
The pink one.
Pink one.
The one with the.
Can you do it? Did you do everybody else? Could you do everybody else?
Fine, I'll do everybody else, but for now, stowing away.
Okay, you know what? I'll do that.
Okay.
Ballerina cappuccina. Hi, blah blah blah.
Okay, we got everyone. Oh.
Buckle. Buckle your seatbelt. Buckle your seat. Skibbity, no, my phone. Womp.
Did you take another phone?
Yes. Because they weren't putting it on airplane mode.
Of course you did.
I'm sorry. Anyways, sis, come on. I think we're all good. We're all good.
What about the windows?
Oh wait, you haven't done this yet.
On what? Oh, close this. Oh, I need to.
You haven't added the guava juice. Anyways, we're gonna do skip taxi. Oh, where's the seats? Oh wait. I'm gonna go with the back then. How do you go down? Yeah. So it works. Anyway,
I'm gonna go check the tab.
wait, there's still more stuff to do back here.
Today's
playlist,
turbulence free.
Shush, sis. I'm trying to do this.
Is the galley prepared?
No. Where does this go, bro? Oh.
That's where it was meant to go.
My bad.
I forgot you had Tower cleared for depart.
Be a short delay. Since we're already going. Okay, sis, if you want to chat, now just re-click that thing. Stop.
I know I can re-click the thing. It's not letting me click. Where do you...
Guys.
Chat.
Anyway, so... Okay, we're in there. We're in the air.